Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back for another episode. Today's video is about rolling your R. So let's get straight to the point. So, as you've noticed, the R is a really prominent sound in the Italian language, but it's quite different from the English R. So the English R is softer, while Italian R is quite strong, so we say R, right? But I believe this sound might not come natural to you. So I like to give you some tips. Firstly, when you pronounce R, the sound doesn't come from the throat. It's not R, but it comes from up here. So you put your tongue right behind your top teeth and then just relax the tongue and breathe out and let the tongue vibrate. So so exhale, and the tip of your tongue, if it's relaxed enough, sure, vibrate behind your top teeth. R, R. Or you can also practice adding the vowels. So for example, you can say ra, ra, re, re, ri, ri, ro, ro, ru, ru. And then we pronounce again R, 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 R. Can you see? R, 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 R. So I want you to relax the tongue. I want you to exhale at the same time. And I want you to place the tongue right up here. More or less like when you say D in English. And can you feel what you're saying D in English, that the tongue is positioned right behind the teeth? So, similar, really similar. Or for example, we might have some words, Italian words, that you can practice with. Roma, Rome. Roma, Roma, Roma. Cromo, chrome. Cromo, cromo, cromo. Particle, particella, particella, particella. Mantra, mantra, mantra. Reverendo, reverendo, reverendo. Or you can also practice with a couple sentences I've made up specifically for the practice, like Romolo e Remo fondarono Roma. Romolo e Remo fondarono Roma. Romolo e Remo fondarono Roma. And then, once you get quite confident, you can speed up a bit and say Romolo e Remo fondarono Roma. Or another one, il cromo e il bromo non fanno l'oro. Il cromo e il bromo non fanno l'oro, il cromo e il bromo non fanno l'oro. So, as you can see, in Italian, this is not glottal, it's not from the throat, because that's not the correct way, although you might find it sometimes easier saying the R from the throat if it's not your natural sound. I want you to practice and try more and more, because I believe practice will help you to relax the tongue, because I believe key for this sound is actually relaxing your tongue first of all, and then once you'll be able to relax your tongue, you'll finally be able to let it vibrate and trill behind the top teeth, right? So I'm exhaling, my tongue is relaxed, more or less like a snake, you know, the sound of a rattlesnake. R, 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 R. Okay? Hopefully this will help you improving and getting closer to the rolling R that we have in Italian. Thank you very much. I love you all, and I'll see you soon. Bye now. Ciao.